Guys, you know it's going to be a good house inspection, a good property inspection when you've got a portal on the front door like this. So cool. This place is Freshwater. It's magic. Let's have a look through. Look at the views all the way around up to the diggers. That is incredible. Inside, what a floor plan. Let's interview Mr. Stevan Bublo about this house. Stevan, can you walk us through and tell us a little bit about this mansion?
Yeah, so it's a full brick.
Full brick?
Full brick.
Full brick.
And the thing that stands out with it, full brick upstairs, full brick downstairs, it's also got plans to be able to build up a level. So you can go up another level, extend it out, get a deck. You can see how high the neighbour's property goes with it. And
so you can
the
go,
standout to me
incredible.
really is that you're not going to lose any of these views.
One, two. Wow.
Yeah, but if you look at your eastern aspect as well, you can see the ceiling height, the roof heights are over the neighbouring properties. So you're not going to lose this aspect. And if you go up a level, you're really looking from kind of North Curl, all the way down to even potentially.
That's a new building there.
That's
the
Queensland.
height maximum.
Well, that's it. You can see. So they've gone for the flat roof, obviously, to cap out where that height limit is.
Yeah.
With it. But
Show me more.
Big potential.
Let's go.
Come through,
Show
gentlemen.
me
Come
more.
through. This upper level is primarily the living. You've got a kitchen, timber floors, big aspect. You're going to find 3 bedrooms on this level and a bathroom. The lower level's also got another bedroom, 2 bathrooms and a kitchenette. Timber floor, that'll probably come straight back if you just polish it up, put a bit of hard work into it. Bedroom 2, 3, full brick throughout. So the bones are here to be able to be built on pretty easily. Bedroom 1, bedroom 2 and bedroom 3. And these lavender bathroom is ready to make a comeback. Look at that.
Lavender.
Lavender, is that the colour? I think it is. Lavender.
Lavender bathroom.
And that's it, gentlemen. Downstairs again, 2 more bathrooms and another lounge.
Take us downstairs.
Let's go.
And price range, Steve?
At the moment, we're going to go out to market and just get market feedback on it.
Yes.
In regards to sales in the street, this isn't a street that turns over a lot. I can't remember the last time there was a sale in here. I think since he purchased this property, which would be close to 20 years ago, there's only been 1 transaction in the whole street.
And Steve, you're a big fan of Dick
Love
Street.
it. It's a great street.
It's a really good
It's one of the best kept secrets. Kitchenette downstairs. This is all brand new. They started doing renovating works to it. So we've got brand new kitchenette, another room, could be a bedroom. This is just a stud wall, this wall. So it could come out to open up.
Place, eh?
And then a few
What do you
more
got
rooms.
back there?
Yeah, we've got the original bathroom, a new bathroom and 2 more rooms. So original bathroom.
What colour's that, Steve?
Daisy. Daisy. We've got a new bathroom, so new shower, toilet on the other side. Daisy and lavender.
You're good, man. You are good.
They're good. They're good names for a daughter.
Yeah.
And then a smaller room through here too. There you go.
All right. There you go. Now, Freshwater, guys, this thing's a monster. About how popular this is going to be in the market, how rare this is to be in the market. Massive. So act fast. Send this to your friends and family if you can. Love to see it. Bye.